But yeah, this is what we're doing now. I am going to rip everything out of the bottom and we'll sort through that first and then we'll move up. This may end up being split into 2 videos, I'm not sure. Will depend on how long this takes, but yeah, bear with me. I'm gonna, so we got some suitcases, some bedding, more teddies, and then lots of luggage and stuff. So, hello, Whistle Boy. Do you like your tidy bedroom?
Yeah.
Wow. Do you want to pull everything out of there for Mummy? Grab everything out. We're going to take it all out and tidy it. Oh, thank you. Get some more?
Here.
Yeah, keep going. Pull it all out. Oh, heavy.
I can carry this.
You can carry
Put
that.
on pile.
Put it on pile. That's your new coat, isn't it? What colour is it?
Yellow.
Is yellow your favourite? Yellow is his favourite colour. I got this in the sale the other day. The winter coat. How nice is that? Very happy with it. Half price. Good boy. I'm going to let him continue this and then we will show you what we get up to.
I'm making it all messy.
Yeah. Foxy's found a box of toys that he wants to play with, so he's playing with that there. These are some teddies, some of which we will keep. When I said he had a lot, I meant he had a lot. And then this isn't even the girls either. So some of these we will keep, some of them we will not. But the bottom of that is empty. Got 2 suitcases, Harry's backpack. Just throw that into another room in the hopes that it will get tidied eventually. Right, we've got Foxy's coats. They're going to get hung up. We've got a thick winter one and a thinner winter one. We've got more luggage, which we can condense down into each other. And then this is all bedding. And that is that mine? This is a poncho. I definitely don't need any more. A cow poncho. My friend bought me this like 10 years ago probably. I don't think I need that anymore. What do you reckon? Do a poll. Do I need the poncho or not? It's got udders as pockets. This is a manky old rug which can go. This is just a blanket. Again, there's more bedding up here, so we'll organise these into different sections. But we no longer have a Super King bed, and that is what these are for. So I'm going to get rid. Some things will go to charity, some things will go in the bin because they're just manky. Still here, I'm boiling. This is probably going to be the second part of that video. But I've took all the bits out. Everything's out of here. Teddies are sorted. This is a bag of hats, gloves, scarves, just winter things that we just keep there for when we need them. The clothes are quite organised already because we've just got Ben's shirts and then Fox's hoodies and stuff. And then this is like Ben's and mine and the girls' winter coats and hoodies. They all go there just because there's no point in having them downstairs in the summer. All of the luggage I've managed to condense into one suitcase. Let's see if I can get it. My prom dress is here. Let me hang it up to show you. My mum had it made for me when I was 16. And I've always kept it. It was the same. I wanted it to be the same as Victoria Beckham's dress she wore for her reception, but the opposite because hers was purple with red and I wanted mine to be red with purple. And I had the most scandalous slit as a 15, 16-year-old. Yeah, I just kept it for the girls. It is. Oh, thank you. That's his new den apparently in there. And then I'm just sorting out bedding. Anything that I've got a pillowcase and the bedding for, I put the bedding in the pillowcase because then it's just ready to grab. Got an extra new one there. This is off his bed now. Just found this, which is just Christmas books. Because we do like a Christmas advent calendar for the kids. So I'm going to have a bit of a cull of these. These are just pillowcases, blankets. I found an empty pretty box, so I've condensed all of Fox's things into here. And then we're going to go up there. Hello! I see. So, yeah, I will show you what else we're getting rid of. Okay. So we have culled. This is all done. all that is fine. Books are going to get put away on the bookshelf when I've sorted out the mess on the hallway. And the cupboard is done. We've got memory boxes, some games that are like adult games rather than kids games. These are Christmas books that we get out in December. I've got hold of half of them easily. This is blankets, clothes, the bag of hats and stuff, luggage, Foxy's toys and some Lego, and then I've left him a little space so he can play and have a den. This is what we're getting rid of. I've got all of these Christmas books. Like you can see we have so many duplicates just because people buy you books, but like they've literally never been read, so I'm going to give all these to the charity shop. All these teddies are going to the charity shop. This is charity shop. I've got 3 more bags in the other room. That is the teddies I'm letting him keep. He's still got loads. Yeah, and that is the declutterisation of a nearly 3-year-old's bedroom. I will put a picture in of it all tidied once all this has gone to the charity shop. Foxy, what do you think of your new bedroom all tidy? You like it?
No.
No?
Yes.
Yeah. Got lots of room to play? Can you show me in your cupboard? You got den space in there now too. Look, little den space. Bye-bye.
No, not me, Mama.
You want me to lock you in? Okay, get your fingers out. Bye-bye.
Not like that.
Not like that, like what?
Like that bit.
Oh, with a proper lock. Okay, wait a sec, I'll lock it. Get your fingers out of the way. There you go, you're locking. Bye.